Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Friends, in this video we are going to see job openings from Otsuka Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited. Friends, this is a walk-in interview that is going to be held on 8th May, that is on 2022 Sunday. So let us see the complete details in this video, and before going into the details of the job, friends, I have made a video regarding quality control department in pharmaceutical industry. If you haven't watched the video, you can watch the video with the link in the description of the video. So coming to the job details, friends, they are hiring for the following departments: process in charge, which is associate, process in charge associate for production, parenteral or injectable, and B.Sc B.Pharm M.Sc or M.Pharm is the qualification with 2 to 7 years of experience. For associate ITI Diploma with 2 to 10 years of experience. For process in charge, B.Sc B.Pharm or M.Sc with 2 to 7 years of experience. For associate ITI or Diploma with 2 to 10 years of experience. Friends, as I already said, the date of interview is on 8th May Sunday, and the timings are 9:30 am to 3 pm. The venue, which is Otsuka Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited, 21st floor B block, Westgate near YMCA Club, SG Highway, Ahmedabad. So these are the details regarding the job openings, friends. So please follow the carry all the documents which are required for a walk-in interview, or last 3 months pay slips, your experience, and also your educational related documents. And the above positions are for experienced candidates only, as I already read. So freshers need not to apply. So freshers candidates, if you want to apply, can share your resume to the following mail ID mentioned here on the screen.